Do you get back pain often? Lack of strength in your glute muscles is one of the major causes of lower back pain. With a simple exercise, we want to target the glutes area and finally bring the strength back to them. Grab a towel. Place your towel under the knees. This way we can prevent any discomfort or pain in the knee area. Gently in the all fours, bring your left leg up with a 90-degree angle and place it on the floor. The other side, the right leg goes up and down. Now we want to bring the exhale and inhale also into the work. Inhale, we go up. Exhale, we go down. Inhale, we go up. Exhale, we go down. Every time that you go up here, you shall feel it on your glutes. Especially when you reach all the way up, hold it for a few seconds. Here, feel it in this glutes area and relax. Inhale up, try to connect to your glutes. Exhale down. In, out. In, out. Only a few rounds of this exercise daily will bring that strength back to your glutes and will help to relieve pain and tension from your lower back area. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Few more. In and out. In and out. Last round on both sides, going up and down, up, and finally relax in child pose in order to give your lower back a bit of gentle stretch. Fantastic. Afterwards, slowly sit down in any position that you like in order to feel your body, in order to connect to your lower back area. For my full lower back pain course, simply visit puyayoga.com. I see you there.